What's up, YouTube? Excuse me. These are the survivors. They are doing well. We have flowers and we have peppers. We actually have peppers growing. Oh, let me find some real quick. If you look in there, see right there? Let me focus. There's a big one right there. We have lots of peppers growing. There's a couple more right there. Lots of flowers that have, I don't know what it's called, but when the flowers die off and the fruit begin to bear, like right there we have a new one coming. See right there? And there's a pepper below it. There it is. So we have peppers. All right. And I'm not sure what these are. They're coming along, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, I think they're more peppers. I'm not sure. Here's the corn. Corn is pretty happy. It's coming along. Looking good. Here's what's left of that tree. Kind of wore me out. That fallen tree that fell a couple of days ago because of the storm. I have a lot of trees that I gotta prune, gotta get pruned because we have a lot of overgrown trees. I'm not gonna take too many of them down. It's gonna be 2 of them that I'm gonna take down, but this one right here, I gotta finish chopping it up. And that's my pile over there slowly burning away. Now, here's another bed. We had something growing on this side and I'm not sure what it was, but my wife pulled them up because the bugs got to them. It was broccoli. Yeah, there's a leaf right there. So the little worms did a number on the broccoli, so she pulled them up. We have flowers on these. And again, I'm not sure what they are. I'm just doing a walk through. I think there's another broccoli. I'm not sure what that is. There's another one. Another bed. This is doing pretty good. She have an irrigation ran. Did a nice job with it. This is the trellis from one of our sponsors. So it's holding steady. This is the squash. She said she saw a squash vine borer. Well, she did see a squash vine borer, but she had to put that powder on them. What is it? Dimetate? That D-earth. I can't say that. But she got to mix that up and spread it on the leaves. Diatomaceous earth. But she got to mix that up and spread it on the leaves. But that's the squash plants. They're doing good. We actually have some. Can you see? We have the beginning stages of the squash coming. All right. This, my friends, are the tomatoes. These are the survivors. When we had them in the shed, first before we moved over here, and her seed shop over there. Yeah, these are the survivors, and they are doing awesome. I mean, look at this cluster of fruit that's coming along. lot of flowers. A lot of flowers, and they are coming along. They surviving, y'all. Now in this bed, yeah, we got some grass growing. I don't know what these plants are. We got some grass growing though. She been picking all that out. Yeah, that's what left of that tree. Yeah, it was dead. DED, dead. So I'll take care of the rest of it on my next off day. Chop down the rest of it. But yeah, it was pretty hollow in the middle. You know, and that's all that was holding it. That raw bark, right? It was flying all over me. Shit, get on. That's all that, what was holding it, and it just snapped because of the rainstorm. Yeah. Yep. This is well, I got the water hose ran because I had a fire pit going. But yeah, this is a little setup she got going on. The irrigation. She got it working. I got the water going because I had to fill up the pool some more. There we go. Shut it off. A little something I came up with to install put it all together for her. But yeah, that's all we got right now. Let me show you the seed shop. Show you what it looked like on the inside. I got a vacation coming up soon, and on that vacation I intend to install a window air conditioning unit. And well, I got to insulate the walls, throw up some drywall. I'm gonna finish it out, make it look good. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the light on. But yeah, it's a little bit of a mess. She gotta organize a little bit more, but yeah, I gotta do the walls. And this back wall back here is where the air conditioning unit is going. I gotta move all this to the center so I can get to the walls. And I'm thinking about putting a regular door on one of these swing doors. I need the WD-40 that door. But I'm thinking about putting maybe a walk-through door or a window, something. Got her a little refrigerator, bottles of water. I'm gonna get her a big one, a main one. Yeah, this my garage. It's still a hot mess. I haven't even started on this yet. But it's terrible. Terrible up in here. But anyway, this is just a little short update. I just felt like filming something, give me something to edit. That's all we got. Catch you on the next one, all right? Peace.